Our bodies are complex ecosystems, teeming with life forms that we cannot see with the naked eye. We are home to trillions of microorganisms, each playing a unique role in our bodily functions. These microbes outnumber our human cells by a staggering ratio, creating a symbiotic relationship that is essential for our survival. This vast community of microorganisms is collectively known as the human microbiome, a term that encompasses bacteria, fungi, and other tiny life forms. But there is another world within us, even more mysterious and numerous, the human virome, which consists of all the viruses that inhabit our bodies. The virome is the collection of all viruses in our body, and it is an integral part of our internal ecosystem. These viruses are everywhere, in our gut, lungs, skin, and even our blood, silently influencing our health. Most of these viruses do not cause disease. Instead, they coexist peacefully with our cells. In fact, they play a crucial role in our health and well-being, aiding in processes we are only beginning to understand. Scientists are only beginning to understand the complex interactions between viruses and their human hosts, a field that holds many secrets. The virome is incredibly diverse, containing a multitude of different viruses. It contains viruses that infect human cells, as well as viruses that infect bacteria, known as bacteriophages. These bacteria-infecting viruses are called bacteriophages, or phages for short, and they play a significant role in regulating bacterial populations. The study of the virome is a new frontier in science, offering insights that could change our understanding of biology. It has the potential to revolutionize our understanding of human health and disease, opening up new avenues for treatment and prevention. Imagine a bustling city. Buildings reach for the sky, cars navigate busy streets, and people go about their daily lives. This city is a living, breathing entity, much like our own bodies. This is our body, a complex ecosystem teeming with life. Within us, countless organisms coexist and interact. The human body is not just a collection of human cells. It is a vibrant community of diverse life forms. We are also home to trillions of bacteria, fungi, and viruses that make up our microbiome. These microorganisms are essential to our survival. The microbiome plays a vital role in our health. It is involved in many critical processes that keep us healthy. It helps us digest food, produce vitamins, and absorb essential nutrients, and train our immune system to recognize and fight off harmful invaders. The virome, as part of this ecosystem, interacts with the microbiome and influences its composition and function. It's a delicate balance that must be maintained. Viruses can infect and kill bacteria, keeping their populations in check. This is crucial for maintaining harmony within our bodies. This helps prevent the overgrowth of harmful bacteria that can cause disease. Balance is key to a healthy ecosystem. Viruses can also transfer genes between bacteria, influencing their evolution and function. This gene transfer can lead to new traits and abilities. The interactions between the virome, microbiome, and human cells are complex and constantly evolving. This dynamic interplay shapes our health in profound ways. Understanding these interactions is crucial for developing new strategies to improve human health and treat disease. As we learn more, we can harness this knowledge to create innovative healthcare solutions. In the depths of our gut, a microscopic war is raging. On one side are bacteria essential for our digestion and overall health. On the other side are their arch-nemesis, the bacteriophages. These viruses, often resembling tiny lunar landers, are the most abundant biological entities on Earth. Phages are highly specialized predators. Each type of phage has evolved to infect and kill specific types of bacteria. They are masters of deception, injecting their genetic material into unsuspecting bacterial cells. Once inside, the phage DNA hijacks the bacteria's cellular machinery, turning it into a virus factory. The infected bacteria churn out hundreds of new phages, which burst forth, destroying the bacteria in the process. This constant battle for dominance helps maintain a healthy balance within our gut microbiome. Bacteriophages, despite their fearsome reputation, are not always agents of destruction. Some phages have adopted a more subtle strategy: control rather than kill. These phages, known as temperate phages, can integrate their genetic material into the bacterial chromosome without causing immediate harm. The phage DNA, now part of the bacterial genome, can lie dormant for generations. This integration can have surprising benefits for both the phage and the bacteria. The phage gains a safe haven, replicating along with its host. The bacteria in turn can acquire new genes from the phage, granting them advantages such as resistance to antibiotics or the ability to colonize new environments. This complex relationship between phages and bacteria highlights the dynamic nature of the virome. It's not always a simple case of predator and prey. Sometimes it's a partnership, albeit an uneasy one. Section 5. Phages gone rogue, the dark side of the virome. While many phages play a beneficial role in our gut, some can pose a threat. These phages, known as virulent phages, are programmed for destruction. They infect bacteria, replicate rapidly, and cause widespread cell death. This can disrupt the delicate balance of the gut microbiome, leading to dysbiosis, a state of microbial imbalance associated with various health problems. Virulent phages can also contribute to the spread of antibiotic resistance. They can carry genes that encode for antibiotic resistance and transfer these genes to bacteria during infection. This horizontal gene transfer can create superbugs, bacteria resistant to multiple antibiotics, making infections much harder to treat. Understanding the factors that influence phage virulence is crucial for predicting and mitigating the risks associated with these microscopic predators. Section 6. Viral allies, oncolytic viruses in cancer treatment. The word virus often evokes fear, conjuring images of illness and disease. But what if some viruses could be harnessed to fight our battles against deadly diseases like cancer? Enter oncolytic viruses, a special class of viruses that selectively infect and destroy cancer cells. Oncolytic viruses exploit the vulnerabilities of cancer cells, which often have impaired antiviral defenses. These viruses can replicate within tumor cells, causing them to burst open and release more viruses to infect neighboring cancer cells. This targeted killing spares healthy cells, reducing the harsh side effects often associated with traditional cancer treatments like chemotherapy and radiation. Scientists are exploring the use of oncolytic viruses in combination with other therapies to enhance their effectiveness. This approach, known as virotherapy, holds immense promise for developing safer and more effective cancer treatments. Section 7. The promise of phage therapy. The rise of antibiotic resistance poses a significant threat to global health. With fewer effective antibiotics available, scientists are turning to alternative strategies to combat bacterial infections. One such strategy, phage therapy, harnesses the power of bacteriophages to target and kill specific bacteria. Phage therapy has been used for decades in some parts of the world, particularly in Eastern Europe. It involves administering a cocktail of phages that specifically target the bacteria causing the infection. Phages offer several advantages over antibiotics. They are highly specific, killing only the targeted bacteria while leaving beneficial bacteria unharmed. They can also evolve alongside bacteria, overcoming antibiotic resistance mechanisms. While phage therapy faces challenges such as the potential for phage resistance and the need for personalized phage cocktails, it holds immense promise as a potential solution to the growing threat of antibiotic-resistant infections. Section 8. Unlocking the secrets, the future of virome research. The human virome, once a hidden world, is rapidly coming into focus. Advances in sequencing technologies and bioinformatics have allowed scientists to study the virome in unprecedented detail, revealing its vast diversity and complex interactions with human health. Research into the virome is still in its infancy, but it has already yielded remarkable insights. Scientists are discovering new viruses, characterizing their functions, and uncovering their roles in health and disease. This knowledge is paving the way for the development of novel diagnostic tools and therapeutic interventions. The virome represents a treasure trove of untapped potential. By unlocking its secrets, we can harness its power to improve human health and combat some of the world's most challenging diseases. Section 9. A new era of medicine harnessing the power of the virome. The human virome, once an enigma, is emerging as a key player in our health and well-being. Scientists are now uncovering the vast potential that these viruses hold, from the bacteria-hunting bacteriophages in our gut, which help maintain a healthy balance of bacteria, to the cancer-fighting oncolytic viruses, which are being engineered to target and destroy cancer cells. Viruses are proving to be more than just agents of disease. They are showing us their potential as allies in our quest for better health. They are essential components of our internal ecosystem, playing crucial roles in maintaining our health, influencing our physiology in profound and sometimes unexpected ways. As we delve deeper into the virome, we are uncovering layers of complexity that were previously unimaginable, gaining a newfound appreciation for the intricate interplay between viruses and their human hosts. This knowledge is ushering in a new era of medicine, one that is more holistic and integrative, one that seeks to understand and manipulate the virome to prevent and treat disease, leveraging the natural capabilities of viruses. The future of medicine lies in embracing the complexity of the human body, and the virome is a crucial part of this intricate system, recognizing that our health is intricately linked to the trillions of viruses that call us home. These viruses are not just passengers, they are active participants in our health. By harnessing the power of the virome, we can unlock new frontiers in medicine and pave the way for a healthier future where the virome is a key ally in our medical arsenal.